Before the sunrise paints the sky, we lift our dreams up high. With dusty hands and weary feet, we build the roads where people meet. Every brick and every stone shows the strength we've always known. Though the work is hard each day, we never turn away.
Sweat falls down like summer rain. Hope gives meaning to our pain. One more wall, one more floor, building dreams forevermore. We are the hands that build the world. Through the heat and storm unfurled, every house and every bridge carries stories on its ridge. Though our names may never shine, our work will stand through endless time. We build the future strong and true. For me, for them, for me and you. Far from family chasing dreams, life is harder than it seems. Every paycheck brings us hope, helping loved ones learn to cope. When the daylight fades away, we thank the stars for one more day. Tomorrow